Tonight for dinner, we are having a dump and go meatball and pasta bake. Let me show you how I do mine. Oh, that wasn't very good. Let's try this again. Nope. Woo! Trying to be all dramatic in my intro. It's not working very well. So first thing, I would spray my dish so nothing sticks. And then I'm gonna add this whole box of rotini pasta. And we're not pre-cooking it. And then we're gonna add these meatballs. They're frozen. Yes, they're store-bought. I'm not making meatballs. But I'm not gonna add this whole bag because there's like 45 meatballs in here. So I'm only gonna add half of them. So I'm only gonna add like half. Like that. And then I'm gonna add 1 jar of whatever marinara that you like. This one happened to be on sale, so I'm adding it. Just like that. And then I have to add 3 cups of water, so I'm just gonna add some in here. Add the rest here, actually. I'm gonna shake the shit out of this to get it all marinara sauce everywhere. Gotta go get 1 more cup of water. Like that. Now give it a good mix. Get everything coated in your marinara and water because we don't want to have a raw pasta and frozen meatballs for dinner. Okay, I will cover it with foil. And we will bake it in a 375 oven for 40 minutes. I'll be back. In the meantime, I'm just gonna shred some mozzarella cheese. Lock this down. You'll need 1 to 2 cups, whatever you decide. Like that. And then seal it for later. So I had this in the oven for an hour, not 40 minutes, and I realized that I didn't season it. So I'm gonna put some pepper and some salt. And some Italian seasoning, The recipe will be in the description. Give it a mix. Oh, it looks so good. Go get some cheese. Oops. All right, have your mozzarella cheese and put as much as you want on. 1 to 2 cups, but it all depends on what you want. All right, now I'm gonna put it under the broiler for about 10 minutes or until the top is nicely browned and the cheese is melty. I'll be back. Look at this, guys. Looks delicious. Smells so good. Add a bit of parsley over top. You guys have definitely got to make this. It's easy. There's only 4 ingredients besides your spices, and it's delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.